I'm Jennifer Alvarado, Senior Risk Consultant with Liberty Mutual. In this training, we will cover the load line mirror adjustment tool, including its design, how to use it, and how to apply it into your centers. The automotive department will play a crucial role in the mirror adjustment process. By mastering these steps, we can work together on mirror accuracy and how to mitigate high hazards on the road. And remember, safety always starts with awareness.
The load line mirror adjustment tool can be used as a replacement if the driver does not have access to the mirror station.
Load line mirror adjustment tool comes in 3 parts. There are 3 different pipes, and when added all together, it comes up to about 85 inches. In order to build the LLMAT tool, you'll need at least 85 inches of PVC pipe, 1/2 inch in diameter. You'll need tape, 2 colors. You'll need coupling devices, 2. You'll need a 2-inch binder clip and at least 13 inches of cord. What's highly recommended is having the pipe cut at the hardware store. The pipe needs to be cut into 3 different parts. Pipe A is 53 inches, pipe B is 12 inches, and pipe C is 20 inches. So first, you'll take pipe A, that's 53 inches, and you'll add the coupling device to the end of it. Then you'll take pipe B, and you'll add it to pipe A by inserting it in the coupling device. And then finally, you'll use the other coupling device, and you'll add pipe C to this coupling device. You need to be able to put tape on the devices so that these areas are visible to the driver. Okay, so your first piece of tape is going to be at the 53 inches mark, or where the first coupling device is. The second piece of tape will be at the 65-inch mark, or where the second coupling device is. We're going to also put some tape at the 81-inch mark and 85-inch mark. Okay, and as far as the 13-inch cord, secure it to the bottom of the LLMAT tool on one side. And then on the other side, add the 2-inch binder clip and clip the binder clip to the LLMAT tool. One thing of note when completing this mirror adjustment process using the LLMAT tool is that you need adequate space. If there is not enough space in between the vehicles on both sides, passenger and driver side, please pull the vehicle forward to complete the process. Drivers must ensure when using the LLMAT tools or that the mirrors are placed properly in the bracket and the bracket is not overextended. One of the ways to ensure that the bracket is not overextended is to check the detent plate to make sure it's in good condition and tight so that the mirrors are not blocked or loose, because the drivers must have visibility of both flat and convex mirrors. The first thing that we need to do is we need to measure the height of the convex and the flat mirror to make sure that they comply with UPS standards. These package cars come with 2 different mirrors. This is a flat mirror and this is a convex mirror. To comply with UPS standards, they need to be between 1 and 5 inches apart. In order to verify that there's between 1 and 5 inches of space between the flat mirror and the convex mirror, you can either use a measuring tape or you can use a DVIR booklet that can be found in the truck, like we've done here. The tool comes in 3 parts, 3 different pipes, and at the top of the pipe, you'll see that there is 2 pieces of tape. The first tape is 81 inches off the ground, and the second tape is 85 inches off the ground. So the goal is for the flat mirror, the bottom of the flat mirror, to be in this white area in between those 2 pieces of tape. And as you can see, it is. So it is in compliance with UPS standards. So at this point, you're going to need a partner because this activity takes 2 people to complete. You're going to have your partner detach the B pipe and the C pipe from the A pipe. Okay. Each stick comes with a clip. Your partner will attach the clip to the bottom bracket of the driver's side mirror. Okay. And they will pull it back straight until it is taut or has no slack in the string. To get into the truck using my 3 points of contact, and the first thing I'm going to do is make sure that I only see a sliver of the truck in the mirror. I am looking to see if I see the tape in the top right quadrant of the convex mirror and the bottom right quadrant of the flat mirror. So I've adjusted the mirrors and I can see the tape right here in the flat mirror, and I can see the tape right here in the convex mirror. After these mirrors are properly adjusted, you can have the safety committee install decals on the door frames. I'll show you how to do the same process on the passenger side. The passenger side, we're going to repeat some of the same steps that we did for the driver's side, first by measuring the heights of the mirror. As you can see, the bottom of the flat mirror is in between these pieces of tape, so they're in compliance with UPS standards. So for the passenger side, you're going to have your partner attach pipe B to pipe A. So this tape right here is 65 inches, and we will be using this for the passenger side. So you'll have the partner attach the clip to the bottom of the bracket on the mirror, and you'll have them pull it taut, just like we did on the driver's side. Once the partner has pulled the string to its taut, no slack in it, you guys will begin the process of adjusting the mirrors. So just as in the driver's side, the first thing we're looking for is a sliver of the package car when we look into the mirrors. Next, after it's been determined that you can only see a sliver of the car in the passenger side mirrors, we're going to look for the piece of tape on pipe B in the upper left quadrant of the convex mirror and the bottom left quadrant of the flat mirror. Once you've determined that the piece of tape is seen in the upper left quadrant of the convex mirror and the bottom left quadrant of the flat mirror, your mirrors are properly adjusted.
Today we explored why we need this tool, how it works, and the proper use of the load line mirror adjustment tool. The LLMAT tool not only simplifies the process of mirror adjustment, but it also enhances safety. As a reminder, please work with automotive to get the brackets adjusted to avoid overextending the brackets. Thank you so much for your time and the attention to this safety matter.